Hello guys, in today's video we are going to check how you can generate AI images. So just let's get started. To generate images we have to follow the steps. The first step will be we'll use ChatGPT. Sorry, we'll use ChatGPT for prompts. Basically the AI models they only uh, they better generate images with the help of prompts. The prompt is basically these are the commands to tell the softwares how type of image how we want our image to be generated. So we'll use ChatGPT for that. Just simply go on ChatGPT by Google. And the second step will be an free website to generate AI image. I'll suggest you the best one is Leonard AI. Yeah, this one. This one is the best free website. So I'll show you. We'll try to generate images. Right here I have 153 credits. You can just make a new account and you will get free daily 150 credits. They will be used to generate free images. Now we'll decide what type of image we are going to generate. So type here what type of image you want. Tell GPT and GPT will write you a prompt. So let's start it. I am going to so I'll providing the details GPT to write a prompt for me. We will wait. Now simply I will copy this prompt and I will paste it here and I'll click the generate. You can choose here what type of ratio you want, like TikTok, mobile, Facebook, YouTube, which type of ratio you need. Yeah, check this how it is. It seems a realistic photo. From this you can generate unlimited images you want. We'll try with another one and any other prompt. So let me type here any other thing I want. Let's make a prompt. It generating me a new prompt. So now copy it and paste it here. Let's see what we will get. It is taking some time. Look at this. It is so nice and beautiful. From this you can generate what type of images you want. Let's write prompt. Try with any other image. We'll wait. Now we'll check what we'll get. I told GPT to write a prompt for a big old tree, and GPT write me this. I just copy and pasted it to Leonard AI. Yeah, as just I said, it should be an horror. So you can see it is according to what we said. You can explore here what type of images people are generating. It will be very useful for you to how you will get better and new ideas. So I will come with another video where I will tell you some other websites from where you can generate free images. So how you can if you out of the credits you can log out and you can make a new account like this. Just simply log out and sign up with a new email. You will get instant 150 credits, and always the GPT is free. You can use GPT to generate the prompts, detailed prompts for free. I hope guys you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.